Solving quadratics using quadratic formula. The famous quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So that formula is used to solve quadratic equations. You need to make sure that you are in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. The purpose of the quadratic formula is to only be used when you cannot factor. So example 1, we have the quadratic that's already in standard form, so 5x squared plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Our a is 5. The b is 2. And our c is 1. So let's substitute those three things into our quadratic formula. So negative 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So from there, we'll simplify it. So in our radical, we'll end up having plus or minus 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 20, negative 16 all over 10. We should know that the square root of negative 16 is 4i all over 10. And so we'll break this apart. And we could say negative 2 over 10, which reduces to negative 1/5, plus or minus 4i over 10, which reduces to 2i over 5. So here is our final answer. So our quadratic on example 2 is already in standard form. So a equals 1, b equals 1, and c equals to negative 4. So we'll substitute it into our quadratic formula. So negative 1 plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this simplifies to be negative 1 plus or minus 1 squared plus 16 all over 2. And this simplifies to be negative 1 plus or minus radical 17 all over 2. And then we're done.